Hello, everyone. This is Mike. Welcome back to 8 Story English Podcast. Before we start today's story, I want you to take a deep breath. Find a comfortable place, relax, and just listen. You can listen to our stories anywhere, while you are at work, driving your car, sitting on the metro, or even during a walk. You don't need to understand every word. Just enjoy the story and let your ears get used to the English language. Let's start our journey. Sam is finally here. After a long flight, he walks out of the airport doors. The air is warm and the sky is bright. Sam is a long way from home. He is in a new country with new sounds and new smells. He has 2 very big bags and a small map in his pocket. Now he needs to find a way to his hotel. He looks for a taxi. He sees a line of yellow cars. He walks to the first car. A man is standing near the taxi. His name is Joseph. Hello. Good afternoon, Sam says. Hello. Do you need a taxi? Joseph asks. Yes, I need to go to the city center, Sam says. I can take you there, Joseph says. Do you have many bags? Joseph asks. Yes, I have 2 big bags, Sam says. Okay, I can open the back for you, Joseph says. Thank you. Can you help me with this bag? Sam asks. It is very heavy, Sam says. Of course, no problem, Joseph says. Joseph puts the bags in the taxi. Sam sits in the back seat. The seat is very soft. Joseph sits in the front. He starts the engine. I have a question before we go, Sam says. Yes, what is your question? Joseph asks. How much is the ride to the hotel? Sam asks. It is a fixed price from the airport, Joseph says. What is the fixed price? Sam asks. It is $25, Joseph says. $25? Sam asks. Yes, $25 for the whole trip, Joseph says. Does that include the bags? Sam asks. Yes, the price includes everything, Joseph says. Do you take cash? Sam asks. Yes, we take cash, Joseph says. But we do not have much change, Joseph says. Oh, okay, Sam says. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we accept all major cards. And we accept Apple Pay too, Joseph says. Oh, that is very good, Sam says. I want to pay with my phone, Sam says. No problem. We have a machine in the car, Joseph says. Is there an extra fee for the card? Sam asks. No, there is no extra fee, Joseph says. It is just $25, Joseph says. Perfect. Thank you, Joseph, Sam says. You are welcome. Let's go, Joseph says. The taxi moves away from the airport. Sam looks out of the window. He sees many trees and cars. Is there much traffic today? Sam asks. Joseph: No, the road is very quiet now. Joseph says. How many minutes will it take? Sam asks. It will take 20 minutes, Joseph says. 20 minutes? Okay, Sam says. Is the hotel near the river? Sam asks. No, it is near the big museum, Joseph says. Oh, I want to visit the museum, Sam says. It is a very famous museum, Joseph says. Many people go there every day. Joseph says. Is it open on Sundays? Sam asks. I am not sure, Joseph says. You can ask the people at the hotel, Joseph says. Yes, I will ask them, Sam says. The car is moving fast now. Sam feels the sun on his face. It is very warm inside the taxi. He looks at Joseph. Joseph is a calm driver. He knows these streets very well. Sam wants to ask about the air conditioning, but he is not sure how to say it. Then he decides to speak. The sun is shining through the window. Sam feels very warm. He looks at the window. Joseph? Excuse me, Sam says. Yes, Sam. Is everything okay? Joseph asks. It is very hot in the back seat, Sam says. Can I open the window? Sam asks. Yes, you can open the window, Joseph says, but it is very loud outside. Joseph says. Oh, you are right, Sam says. Can you turn on the air conditioning? Sam asks. The air conditioning is on, Joseph says. Is it not cold? Joseph asks. No, I do not feel the cold air, Sam says. Let me check the buttons, Joseph says. Oh, I see the problem, Joseph says. The back vents are closed. Joseph says. Vents? What are vents? Sam asks. The small holes for the air. Joseph says. Move the small plastic piece. Joseph says. Sam moves the plastic piece. Cold air comes out. Ha-ha, yes! Now I feel it, Sam says. It feels very good now. Sam says. I am sorry about that, Sam, Joseph says. That is okay. Thank you, Sam says. Sam feels much better now. He looks at his phone. He has a new message. His friend says there is no food in the hotel room. Sam is hungry. He needs to find a supermarket before he arrives. Sam looks at his phone. He sees a message from a friend. Oh, Joseph? Sam says. Yes? Joseph asks. Can we stop at a supermarket first? Sam asks. I need to buy some water, Sam says. A supermarket? Joseph says. There was a small shop near the hotel, Joseph says. Is it a big shop? Sam asks. No, it is a very small shop, Joseph says. I need a big supermarket, Sam says. I want to buy some fruit too, Sam says. Okay, I know a big supermarket, Joseph says, but it is 5 minutes away. Joseph says. Is that okay? Sam asks. Yes, but the price will change, Joseph says. It will be $30 now, Joseph says. $30? Sam says. Okay, that is fine, Sam says. $30 is okay, Sam says. Joseph stops the car at a big supermarket. Sam goes inside. He buys cold water, some apples, and some oranges. He feels ready for his first night. He gets back into the taxi, and they drive to the hotel. The journey is almost over. We are here, Sam, Joseph says. Great, thank you, Sam says. The price is $30, right? Sam asks. Yes, $30, Joseph says. Sam takes out his phone. He puts his phone near the machine. Does it work? Sam asks. Yes, the machine says accepted. Joseph says. Perfect, thank you, Sam says. Joseph gets out of the car. He opens the back. He takes out the 2 heavy bags. Here are your bags, Sam, Joseph says. Thank you for your help, Joseph, Sam says. And thank you for the supermarket stop, Sam says. You are welcome, Joseph says. Have a great time in the city, Joseph says. Thank you. Have a good day, Joseph says. Goodbye, Sam, Joseph says. Joseph gets back into his taxi. The yellow car drives away slowly. Sam stands in front of the hotel. He looks at the tall building. He is tired, but he has water and he has fruit. He takes a deep breath. He feels ready for his holiday. He walks inside the hotel with his bags. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.